worst. Yeah, this is the worst. This is the worst. Okay, for everyone asking how high the snow is, it's probably a few feet right now and steadily climbing. Oh shit. Okay, I definitely sank into a hole, and one of my neighbors cannot get in the parking lot. I went back inside to get them the shovel that is normally by the front door. It is not there, which means someone didn't put it back, and they cannot get their car over this mountain of snow. All right, guys, both shovels were in the other hallway. Billy's hanging out in here because it's warm. Oh my god. All right, here we go. Try to be a good Samaritan. Come back out to get my neighbor's shovel. Holy shit. This sucks. Ah! I fell in the thing again. Oh my god, this is terrible. It is definitely deep. I cannot walk. Oh, there's the other shovel. Someone just kind of left it. I'm like, oh shit, that's so cool. Oh my god. No, I can't see. It still won't help you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here until I can rock it out.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Alright. Okay. Alright, so I went through that mission for nothing because the shovel won't really help him. So he's just gonna keep trying to rock it out. Yeah. Snow is awful. If you haven't guessed by now, snow is terrible. So everybody who wished for a white Christmas, you suck.